Good YouTube. Doing a sneaker unboxing real quick. A review of my royal blue Foamposites. I got this last Friday, but I've been sick and it took us sound my voice. But these right here are the royal blues, baby. I remember when this thing first dropped, like 2011. See, they're pretty like the same of 2011, but the difference is right here, the Nike checkpoint, put some blue right here, and the carbon fiber, put some blue. I'm not a fan of the carbon fiber with blue, but I'm also a fan of, but I like this one. These right here remind me of the Air Max Babies color. I don't know if you guys know about the Air Max Babies a long time ago. But the blue was just like that, like foams. Icy bottom right here. Paint logo right here. Here's my second pair. I might do on feet later on. Right here is the Air. And right here is the checker bus. Retail price is $240. I bought them. Plus tax was $20, so it's $260 total. A lot of money, but I think they're worth my price. But yeah. Size 11. If you want to pick these up, stay true to size. It melts to your feet with your heat. It foams. But yeah, I think I might do more sneaker reviews later on. Here you go. The Foamposites. Alright, like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos on the way. Thank you so much.